Hi, welcome back everybody. Hope you're all keeping well. This week I'm going to be making a version of carbonara. It's not the traditional method. This is the method I use. It's the way my kids like it. So let's show you how I do it. So this is what I use in my carbonara. Obviously we got linguine. There's 500 grams here, or just about a pound of linguine. I've got 400 grams here of a soft cheese with garlic and herbs in it. That's about 14 ounces. I've got 5 rashers of smoked bacon here, chopped up. I've got a couple of cloves of garlic here, finely chopped. We've got some salt and pepper here for seasoning. That's sea salt and ground black pepper, and then a little bit of olive oil for cooking. So let's head over to the hob now and get started. Pasta is in there cooking. That's going to take about 9 to 11 minutes to cook. So we're going to start off making the sauce. So we take the bacon, put that in, and we're going to let that fry off for a couple of minutes. So we just want it to go that sort of lighter cooked colour, a lighter sort of pink. We don't necessarily want it crispy. So we'll let that sizzle away there for a couple of minutes. Bacon's been frying off there now for about 3 minutes. It's gone that sort of light pink colour, it's starting to brown slightly. So now we're going to add in the garlic. Again, let that fry off for about a minute. We're going to give a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of sea salt. Don't need too much because you'll get some salt from the bacon anyway. And we'll just continue to let that fry off for about another 20 seconds. I'm going to add in the soft cheese. Again, this is soft cheese with herb and garlic already in it. So, depending on your taste for garlic, you may want to lessen down the amount of fresh garlic you put in, or indeed you may just want to use soft cheese and add your own herbs and garlic to it. There we go. I'm just going to let that melt. And turn down the heat now. So this is basically your sauce now. That's just going to cover your pasta to give you the carbonara. I'm just going to turn the heat off completely so that'll stay warm. When the pasta's finished, I'm going to drain it and combine it. So we'll come back when we're ready to do that. Pasta's been cooking for the allotted time now. Now to test it, we just take some of the pasta to one side, squeeze it with the spoon, and it should just cut in half quite easily, which it does. You want to serve pasta what they call al dente, which is with a slight bit of bite. So just doing that with any pasta, just to one side with a spoon, it should just break with a little bit of resistance, and that's it ready. So I'm going to take this away, drain it, and then we'll combine it with the sauce, and then you have your carbonara. The pasta's drained. One thing I forgot to mention is just before you drain your pasta, take a mug and take some of the pasta water off, because you can mix a little bit of this with the sauce. If you find it's just a little bit too thick, so I'll put a little bit in there. It just makes it a little bit more runny, so it will coat the pasta so much better. So now we can just put the pasta in. So you can serve this up straight away. My kids like to put the leftovers in the fridge, and they'll have it the next day. They'll take it in a lunch box with them to school for lunch. So it'll keep for 2-3 days in your fridge. You can microwave it to heat it up if you wish. for about 30 seconds. You have to be careful because it will harden the pasta. But as always, it tastes best when it's fresh. So you can serve this up, a little bit of garlic bread on the side. And there's your evening meal. Takes about 20 minutes to make. There we go. So there we go, guys. That's how I make carbonara. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Give me the old like as well, it'd be great. And I'll pop another video here and here, the old subscribe button in the middle. If you've got any questions or comments, put them down below. Love hearing from you guys. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.